Hi, I'm Terrence, the Unstoppable Coach Lethbridge, and this is author extraordinaire, entrepreneur. This is Candy Conda, and we're here to talk to you about this great organization, this great consortium called the KC Power Players, of which Candy is the owner and the brainchild for this program. So, KC, take it away. Tell us about the Power Players and what's the mission?
The mission of the KC Power Players is to help entrepreneurs in three to four areas. One is national exposure, branding, business development, and then micro grants from $100 to $500.
Okay, and the Power Players, they sign up for this membership group and they get a lot of things for participating in this group. What are some of the benefits of being a Power Player?
Well, the reason why we started the KC Power Players was because I know a lot of small businesses that work from home, and they found it difficult to participate in some of the same types of events that larger entrepreneurs are able to benefit from, such as workshops and exposure to events, speaking on different topics or different things that would help them to grow their business. So I wanted to create a platform for them, and that's how we evolved and actually started the KC Power Players.
Okay, and you've got a large membership already that covers a number of different industries. For example, what are some of the industries that are already KC Power Players?
We have such a broad range of entrepreneurs. I'm so excited about that. We have salon owners, nail techs, entrepreneurship professors. We also have entrepreneurship training companies. Myself, who has a consulting company. We have radio celebrities, and the list goes on and on. Anything you can think of. We have actors as KC Power Players. We have entertainment mom managers. So KC Power Players is really a well-rounded group of business people.
Right, and as we like to call it, it's a circle of influence. It's the ability for you to come in with your knowledge, with your talents, with your skill set, and share it with others across industries to help brand your business, grow your business, and then you also have another component, another benefit, whereas you give out grants to help businesses.
That's the funding part. We just started and we're really excited. We've had a couple of sponsors, and we do the funding source through micro grants, and right now we're doing them through elevator pitches with the constituents. The great thing about the elevator pitches is the average small business, if you haven't been to a workshop or a class, or you haven't had to actually get funding from an elevator pitch, most of these small businesses have never even heard or have never participated in one. So we got to do a couple of things. We actually get to teach business development, and then also let them have access to money through the elevator pitch.
All right. So we told them the benefits. Now, what's the cost? What's the cost to be a Power Player?
Basic membership fee is $35 for 6 months, and then you have to renew. For your $35, you get a copy of my book, you get a free branding consultation that alone is worth $50, and much, much more. Access to the membership. We have networking events, not just in Chicago, but also in other cities as well. We have 6 states representing KC Power Players.
Wow, all that for $35. You can't beat that. In today's market, you pay 10 times as much for the type of exposure and the type of knowledge that you receive from being a KC Power Player. So if you're looking to get assistance in branding your business, if you're looking to get assistance in growing your business, and if you're looking to help get funded in your business, then all you have to do is click the link below, go to kcpowerplayers.com, get some more information, and get started. Thanks for your time. Join us. We're moving ahead. We're creating a circle of influence so that we can all get to the next level.